So, epic 2 days of work, and the sun's setting. But yesterday we threw up all the sheathing, and I was able to get the metal on. And we just finished up the ice and water shield. And Alan, burning. So, beautiful up here. Acres of ice and water. I got it lapped up onto the building. We're going to fix some of this Tyvek tomorrow so we can side this. But tomorrow the roof goes on. And this took about 3 hours. We did 4 rolls of Grace. 3 hours. And I imagine the roofing will take about that much at least, because we have 20 pieces to put on here, and that means there's 20 cuts. And then we'll be ready for the snow, which could get here as early as Wednesday. So, right on schedule. Oh. Do not try this at home. What do you think, Alan?
Beautiful. Yes, it is.
So, we got her done. And tomorrow, we can put up the roof. But there's just acres of space under here. So we got to do a little bit more work, bring up the grade. But it's limitless potential in here. The roof is so high. It's like on the left side, it's about 8 feet or more. So beautiful. So tune in tomorrow for the update on the metal roof. You care.